Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Hello helper, and friend, today we are going to see about the formatting in Microsoft Word. So friend, let's see what is formatting in Microsoft Word and show you how you can use it. So friend, here first of all we're going to open our Microsoft Word, and friend, here you can see this option, style option. Whenever you click here, then you will get this pop-up box, and here in formatting you can add your formatting style like normal and all. You can change it. You can also change your noise spacing option. You can also apply your heading 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so here you can easily apply which style you want. For example, here I'm going to show you how you can apply your heading style, right? So friend, here you can easily apply which font you want to add in heading. For example, here I'm going to select this one and click on OK. Now we are going to modify heading 2. Okay, you simply click here on this drop down button and click on this modify, and now you can see this is your heading 2, and you can also change or modify the font style. Here I'm going to select this one and change the size of heading 2. Here I'm going to remove the bold option, or you can also add the underline, right? And here I'm going to click OK. Now we are going to change the other option like title, subtitle. For example, we are going to modify this title. Okay, here you can simply select. I'm going to show you the different fonts, so friend, you will get the perfect idea about it, how it is working. That's why we are changing fonts. Here you can simply select this one, and now we are going to change the font size and also add bold and italic, right? And here we are going to click on this OK button. Now you can see friend, this style is modified now, and we are going to apply it. Here you will get the options. For example, if you want to change the recommendation thing like select the style to show and all, you can easily modify all the things, right? Here I'm going to cancel it. Now we are going to apply style one by one. For example, here is the title. Okay, and we are going to select this one, and now we are going to apply. So what you will do, whenever you click here, then that style will automatically apply over here, right? For example, you can see these things here, title name. Okay, now we are going to add the another thing. For example, name, this is the sample of the normal font which is we already added. Right now we are going to modify this one, and this is the font size, right? We are going to add 12 and remove the bold. Okay, and then OK. So friend, now you can see this font style, you can easily see here. We also added the italic. Now we are going to remove italic font, right? Simply click here and then OK. So now you can see this is name, and now we are going to apply the another underline and all. So description, and this is sample tags. So now we are going to select this one and apply another format. Like you can easily apply this one. We have already modified this heading section too, and also we applied underline and bold. We are going to again check it out which things we have applied already. We changed the font style, bold and italic. These two things we have already added. Right now you can easily apply these things by your own way. So you can also modify your style in paragraph, book title, and all the things you can do here. You can see different types of things are available. If you want to remove this style, you simply select here and you can click on this clear all. So all the things will remove, and we have the another option to do the same thing. For example, we close that, and you want to remove these formatting things, then what you will do, simply click on this drop down button, and here you can see if you want to save and clear this one. Right now we are going to first of all select it and create new style. For example, here if you want to create new style, simply click on that and you can easily add your name. So here you can see this style is changed now, and this is available over here. So friend, if you want to clear this formatting, then what you will do, simply click over here, and now you can see this clear formatting. You simply click here. So what happened, your all the formatting things will remove, and that will show in normal style. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can use formatting in Microsoft Word. I hope friend you learned something new. If you learned something new, then click on like button and share with your friend and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Thank you for watching.